Okay, I'm going to solve this equation by taking square roots. First thing we need to do is get p squared, or the variable squared all by itself. In order to do that, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. I'll cancel out -5 that's on the left side there. On the left side, I'm left with -8p squared, and that's equal to -49 plus 5, that's -44. I then just have to divide both sides by -8 to cancel out the -8 on the left. Then I'm just left with 1p squared is equal to -44 over -8. That fraction can simplify down to 11 over 2. Now I can go ahead and I can take the square root of the square to get rid of the square. And what I do to one side I have to do to the other side of the equation, so I'll take the square root of the other side too. Don't forget to put a plus and a minus on the radical on the right hand side. That way we take into account that p could have been positive or negative. The square root of that square, I'll get rid of the square there, so we just have p on the left is equal to plus or minus the square root of 11 over 2. Now technically we have solved for p, but this is not the form that mathematicians need it in, so we're going to take the square root of 11 over 2, and the first step to simplify and rationalize this is we bring the radical down to both the numerator and the denominator. Okay. The second step is to multiply both the top and bottom of this equation by the radical that is in the denominator. Okay. Essentially, all we're doing is multiplying this, what we have here, the square root of 11 over the square root of 2 by 1. This is the value of 1. The square root of 2 divided by the square root of 2 is just 1. So we're just technically multiplying by 1. The square root of 11 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 22. The square root of 2 times the square root of 2 will just be 2. And so our final answer is p is equal to plus or minus the square root of 22 over 2.